I'm gonna cock my 9 mother.
We're just pulling out of the parking garage right now, and we're headed to Pahrump. So we should be there in, I think it's only an hour. Is what
it's about an hour, 1 minute, but you're in Vegas. You never know what that's going to take.
That's very fair. I'm excited. I have never been to Red Apple. I have ordered from Red Apple for so many years, probably at least 6+ years. Never got to go, so super, super stoked to be there. You've never even seen it or know much about it.
Nope.
Yeah.
It's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun to find out.
Yep. So we will see you when we get there, guys. We are here. Like in the middle of a shopping mall. I can't believe I finally get to be here. Let's get inside.
Are you sure you're excited?
Yeah. I don't normally get like super like about getting excited. Let's go inside. By the way, we got the sumo snaps. $3 a piece. Holy crap. Dude, this place is huge.
There is a lot of stuff in this thing.
Wow. Giant sparklers. How much are they? $7 for 5? What'd you find over here? Anything unique?
Oh, knickknacks.
We should pick some up.
We're going to.
I think maybe we'll just kind of walk through real quick, see everything.
Buzz through everything, double check to see what we want.
Yep. Grab a cart and see if we can find anything unique. Yeah. Sure. Thank you, man. Not yet. I'm sure we might.
All right.
Thank you, though.
Let us know if you do, all right?
Okay.
Thank you.
Dude, I need to pick up a bunch of this stuff. There are so many products that I haven't shot of theirs in years. This thing is awesome. I've seen this. This thing is so good. Yeah. Absolutely used to be, and I haven't shot it in years, one of my all-time favorite cakes ever, and especially by them. This was always a great assortment. I shot that one, same with these. Dude, Virus. Freaking, I might even just pick those up so you can see them. Freaking awesome. Look at the artwork, man. What are these running for a box? $2.89 for a case, $109 for a box. Not bad price at all. Yeah. Buddha shells. $119, $2.99. Yeah,
6-inch shell?
they're big. It's a big shell. They were the first 6-inch shell. $60 for 12, $200 for. That's easy. Done this. Jamrock, another one of my favorites. Oh, dude. So, I own a bar in town, and right next to me there was a bar, and they purchased it recently, and they renamed it the Oasis, and I kind of happen to know them. I'm good friends with them, so yeah, we'll probably come back and pick that up for them, huh?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah. And then maybe next year on New Year's, we can light it off. Like after we do our big thing, we can go down on Main Street and light it off with them. Or shoot, well, I won't be there on the 4th. We won't.
We definitely will not be there on the 4th. That's for sure.
Fans, these are freaking awesome.
Assortment. What's in the box? Everything you need.
Holy crap, that is a huge assortment. And it looks like a good one where it's not a whole bunch of filler crap. Like those all look like cakes and stuff. Yeah.
That's everything. It's right there.
There's one set of snaps, so there's only one filler thing. Other than that, fountains, cakes, stuff like that.
Yeah, cute little assortment.
Yeah.
Kids would like that.
How much is it? That's the tiki box. Oh, I don't see a price on it.
We'll have to find out.
No price on that one.
Oh, right there.
Where? Oh. $2.99. There's a couple more assortments. $100. Dude, you gotta love the labeling on all this, isn't it? Awesome.
The labeling on this is actually pretty wicked.
It really is. I mean, the Lucky 13. You just look at this Calavera. Look at the artwork, man. Isn't that just awesome?
Hell, even I love the old arcade theme. Even the packaging all has the old arcade theme.
Yeah, they do phenomenal with marketing here. Inferno box. $2.39. That's a big assortment for that kind of money. That doesn't seem that bad price at all. Dude, it has been so long since I got to start ordering from these guys again because it's been so long. They have so many products that I haven't seen. Glitter bomb. Huh. Daytime celebration, huh? Must be like a smoke and crackle effect. Again, awesome labeling.
A bunch of different stuff in it. Whistling, stars, crackling, mines, brigade.
Huh. Wonder how they do those brigades and stars for daytime. Some single shots.
This is just freaking cool.
So the cans used to be, they used to say Calavera on them, and they switched them to this on the name. But it had a very similar artwork. It had more of a purple in the label. So I would like to get my hands on these and shoot some of these. Sugar Skull. I've not shot any of these. You know what I'm not seeing?
Some of the stuff that's coming out of that box.
Dude, this is what I love. Look at, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 TVs on this row alone, and there's just TVs down every row. This row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this row. And that's on every row, just showing you what all these products do. The artwork on these is... Look at this big boy. Epic Arsenal. Let me get a shot like this. That's a lot of shells. $400. More of the novelty type stuff, I would say. It sounds like there's fireworks going off all around you because of all these screens playing fireworks.
like a kid's worst nightmare.
A parent's worst nightmare and a kid's dream. Unless you're us and we're like kids. Okay, so it's safe and sane assortment. That's pretty cool. What's it cost? $109? Well, how little it is. Four rockets. What are these? Butterflies? $4. I mean, I would say all the prices are bottle rockets.
More bottle rockets.
We can't get these back home. For all the fireworks we can get, we can't get these.
No, we cannot get those at home.
I have to buy some.
You can buy a whole case of the damn things if you really want some bottle rockets.
How much is a case of bottle rockets? 80 bucks. Boy, it'd be like going back to being a kid again with that many bottle rockets. This is absolutely not Ben's cake at all. He's more like a freaking buffalo walking through, if anything.
You're not wrong. At least everybody knows I'm here.
There. Oh, that's cute. Baby snow cone. Rockets.
Big rockets.
They are. What do they got on the cart here? Rolls of 16,000 firecrackers.
Huh.
That's pretty cool. Trips. You know, I've had a habit of pulling trips on stuff when we play poker back at home. Might have to get that just for old time's sake. Thoughts of when I used to kick your ass at poker.
Yeah, 9 times out of 10.
All right, guys, I think we are gonna grab a cart and pick out some product here. So we will get back to you when we pick out what we're gonna be buying. All right, guys, we are outside of the store. We got everything bought that we're gonna get. So I think as we load it up, we'll show it to you. This happens to be my absolute favorite assortment, maybe possibly cake that they ever made. It was called Virus Outbreak, so I had to get it. I've seen it, but I had to get it for old time's sake. So we're gonna go ahead and shove that in. We got a little fountain called Quiet as Mouse by Shogun. Hey, you guys. Who's that by? World Class Little Cake. This I had to get. Man, jellyfish no-abs are one of my favorite things, so I had to give it a try. We'll see. I can't wait to actually see how good it performs. Power-ups. Snake tails. Had to get a case of Sumo Snaps. Whole bunch of little goodies. How about this? We're gonna leave this a surprise as we make the videos. This big bad boy. Now that is what you call an assortment right there. What is this one? Tiki? It just says Tiki?
It's the Oasis.
Oh, that's what it is. That's why we got this one. That's what it is. The Oasis one. These are really cool. Another bag of mixed goodies. We'll let that be a surprise. And a third bag of mixed goodies. All right, guys. Well, if you're in the area here in Pahrump, I tell you what, you should definitely stop in, see this place. Everybody inside, super nice, super cool. They were awesome.
Nice to deal with.
Yeah, great store, and yeah,
it was worth the trip.
Yeah, definitely. Now we got another 3 hours to get to Lake Havasu, so we're gonna get on the road, and we'll probably see you when we get there.